What's going on, guys? So today you are in for one heck of a cool video because we are going to be doing a pretty cool upgrade to the brand new 2026 Forest River Ibex travel trailer. This right here is the 25 RBH. This is a rear bunkhouse unit. If you haven't seen the videos where I've given you full tours of the interior, exterior of this thing, go back and check it out. And of course, one of the main reasons why I love this RV is because of that really awesome full independent CURT touring suspension called the Beast Mode. This is absolutely awesome. Does lift it up a little bit, but boy, it has some absolutely amazing suspension articulation and movement, which isn't just good for off-roading. It's really, really good for on-roading, going down interstates, highways where you have expansion joints and a lot of really crazy, disrepaired roads that sometimes can beat up an RV. And in many cases are the reasons why your RVs get beaten up. So a suspension like this is one heck of an upgrade. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. What we're here to do is install something that's a relatively simple install, but can really mean a lot when it comes to setting up your RV and getting it ready to tow. Hang tight, I'll be right back. So what you were looking at in front of you is a product that I featured in another video, and I just gave you kind of a glimpse of it at first, a quick overview, and let you know that this was going to be going on the Ibex whenever we got it, and we finally got the Ibex. So now we have this really awesome new product from the folks over at Trailer Valet. This is a Trailer Valet electric tongue jack with digital tongue weight scale. You heard me right. This actually has a digital scale built into it. Now, I know there's a lot of folks who may have solutions already for this. They may have a WaySafe hitch. They may have the BTBRV tongue weight scale. They may have all sorts of different products that have been released on the market. However, nobody's made a product like this, where it's actually integrated into the front tongue jack, the electric tongue jack of the trailer, which means you don't have to bring anything out here, which means whenever you get to your RV, if it's in storage or it's next to your house, you can instantly see what the weight is on your tongue jack. Now, I have not had an opportunity to install this yet. That's actually what we're going to be doing in this video, and I don't know how it functions in terms of performance, so we're going to find that out. What we do know is the approximate weight of the front tongue of this RV, because we use the onboard scale in our Ford Super Duty truck here to actually check it out, and it said it was about 950 pounds, but we all know that that scale can be off by a little bit. Anyways, that said, we're going to check this out. It has a 3,500 pound tongue weight capacity, and it is really cool. It has an 18-inch lift height on it as well. So you do have to be sure that you do have enough lift height to be able to lift the front tongue jack off of your bulb. Now, this is going to be important with this specific trailer because it does sit higher in the front than most other trailers. And that also means it's also going to have to be lifted up a little higher whenever you remove it. So I don't know the lift height of the tongue jack that came on this specific RV, but we always use one of these Anderson blocks, or we use a number of other different solutions that are available. But I love having these Anderson jack blocks available because they definitely limit how high you have to extend that front jack leg. So we will be using it with this jack, which should give us plenty of room to be able to lift the hitch of this truck. But before we get it installed, let's talk about a few features of this jack. So first of all, you have your power button up front. So once you hook this up to your actual battery, you have the ability to turn it on or off, which is also going to turn your scale on or off. You have a zero feature here as well. When you press that button, it's going to zero out the jack, which is what you're going to want to do before you actually put the downward pressure on it. And then you also have your electric control button right there. The one feature that I do see missing from this is a light. Most tongue jacks do have a light. You can see the light is right there on this tongue jack. And it's the only feature that I think is missing from this jack. So it would be cool if they had one that could be added to it, or if perhaps the second generation of this has the light built into it. And then also on the bottom, you have the foot pad down here. Now this foot pad is an extra wide foot pad, and I'd argue to say it's probably better quality than some of the ones you see that come on RVs. But from what I can tell, you do not have the ability to extend the foot pad itself in and outside of the outer sleeve like you can on some of these other ones. I do think that that would also be a great addition, because it does make it a lot quicker whenever it comes to hitching up and getting ready to go. And I also don't know the actual speed of this yet. So once we get it installed, we'll also see how quick this thing raises and lowers the RV. But the installation is pretty simple. It's only a 2-wire connection, power and ground. The first thing we're going to do is remove the foot plate. It's pretty simple. Just take this little pin out. And hopefully I can get it out of there. There we go. Okay, now we just need to unbolt the 3 screws holding the factory jack in place. I'm going to cut the wires individually and separate them. Make sure that those aren't going to touch anything metal. Then we're going to go ahead and take the base plate off of the bottom of this one. This is where you'll see what I'm talking about, how it actually can extend out. And I'm actually going to see if I can get this to fit on the trailer Valet jack, because if I can use this, that'll be a nice addition to it. Then this just slides out. Take the new one. Should just drop right in. Okay, now we're going to take our 3 bolts, reinstall them. Go ahead and tighten them back down. Okay, now we have our power and ground here, which we will splice using connectors into your power and ground here, which these are much larger cables, so I don't need to really worry about any issues there. And yeah, I need to test those first. Just want to be sure which one is power and ground, because sometimes they do things wonky on RVs. Assume white is ground, red is power, and we are correct. I'm going to start with my power wire first so I can make sure that it is covered up and protected and I don't accidentally touch it against anything. And my ground wire. And we will splice in our power and ground from our jack. And we'll torch them both. Will this one fit? It will not. Boy, it would have been nice if that fit. It's my feedback to them. They need to put an adjustable jack foot and they need to put a light. But let's be honest, if this works the way they say it does, it might make up for it. Now let's turn it on. Showing you the voltage. Zeroing it out, and let's extend it. It's not very fast. I mean, it's not like the slowest I've seen, but it's certainly not the fastest. Probably takes about 10 seconds to drop about 4 and 5 inches in about 10 seconds. All right, so let's see what happens here. All right, so we're gonna need to uncouple from the trailer. Okay, so we have all the weight off of the truck now. So we are showing 953 pounds currently on the front tongue jack. That's pretty awesome. To be honest with you, that pretty much lines up exactly with what the truck said. That's pretty cool. And you can see it really clearly. It's just right now I got a bit of a glare because of the sun. I'm trying to cover that up, but there you go. 954 pounds. That's pretty incredible. Okay, so I don't know what happened. I lost all the audio on the final part of this video, so I actually had to come out the following day, which is today, and it's actually a kind of a gloomy day, to give you the wrap-up of this really cool trailer valet electric front tongue jack with built-in integrated scale. Again, the only two things that this scale is missing, in my opinion, is a retractable front leg right there that gives you the ability to raise it and lower it so you don't have to actually lift the whole thing all the way up and down with the electronic portion, as well as a front light. I really think that this does need a light. It would be pretty simple to put a little LED right here with another switch on it, or even the same switch. But other than that, super easy to install, just like all these tongue jacks are. Super functional and super accurate. The fact is that the day before I installed this, I used the onboard scale on my truck to see what the tongue weight was, 950 pounds. About 950 pounds. If I had to say that's the center mark, that's gonna be 800, 900, 1,000. So we're at about 950 pounds. That is pretty awesome. You can tell we're doing some other upgrades here. I already mentioned it in a video, what we're gonna be doing here with upgrading to 30-pound propane cans and some of the things that you need. Not all the parts are in yet. Once they come in, I'll do that install. But this is really cool. Super awesome product. The folks over at eTrailer carry this. I will put a link in the description of this video if this is something you're interested in. And I gotta be honest with you, Trailer Valet, you did a great job developing an awesome product that a lot of people can use. In addition to the BTBRV tongue weight scale, as well as a weigh-safe hitch and all the other products that help you determine the safe amount of weight that you're transferring to the back of your tow vehicle, or maybe even removing from your tow vehicle. Anyways, guys, sure hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.